Hello, today we are going to learn IoT platforms and tools. In Module 3, we have these topics: IoT platforms, AWS IoT, Azure IoT, Google Cloud IoT, and others. IoT development tools, Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and others. IoT programming languages, Python, Java, C, and others. IoT platforms provide the infrastructure and services necessary for the development, deployment, and management of IoT applications and devices. There are several IoT platforms available in the market, including 1. Oz IoT. Amazon Web Services AWS IoT is a cloud-based platform that provides a suite of services for connecting and managing IoT devices. It includes features such as device management, data collection, analytics, and security. 2. Azure IoT. Microsoft Azure IoT is a platform that provides a suite of services for connecting, managing, and analyzing IoT devices and data. It includes features such as device management, data ingestion, analytics, and security. 3. Google Cloud IoT. Google Cloud IoT is a platform that provides a suite of services for connecting, managing, and analyzing IoT devices and data. It includes features such as device management, data ingestion, analytics, and security. 4. IBM Watson IoT. IBM Watson IoT is a platform that provides a suite of services for connecting, managing, and analyzing IoT devices and data. It includes features such as device management, data ingestion, analytics, and security. 5. ThingWorx. ThingWorx is a platform that provides a suite of for connecting, managing, and analyzing IoT devices and data. It includes features such as device management, data ingestion, analytics, and security. These IoT platforms provide a range of features and services that can help organizations develop and deploy IoT solutions quickly and efficiently. They also provide integration with other cloud services, such as data storage and analytics, to enable end-to-end IoT solutions. However, organizations should carefully evaluate their requirements and choose the platform that best meets their needs in terms of features, scalability, security, and cost. There are several development tools available for building IoT applications and devices, including 1. Arduino. Arduino is an open-source electronics platform that provides a range of hardware and software tools for building IoT devices. It includes a microcontroller board, sensors, actuators, and other components that can be programmed using the Arduino IDE. 2. Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is a credit card-sized computer that can be used for building IoT devices. It includes a range of input or output pins, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other connectivity options, and can be programmed using a variety of programming languages. 3. Node-RED. Node-RED is a visual programming tool that can be used for building IoT applications. It includes a range of pre-built nodes for connecting to sensors, actuators, and other IoT devices, and can be used to build complex workflows using a drag-and-drop interface. 4. Platformio. Platformio is an open-source development environment for building IoT applications. It supports a range of development boards, including Arduino and Raspberry Pi, and includes a range of features for building, testing, and deploying IoT applications. 5. Eclipse IoT. Eclipse IoT is a set of open-source projects and tools for building IoT applications. It includes a range of frameworks and tools for building, testing, and deploying IoT applications, and can be used with a range of hardware and software platforms. These development tools provide a range of features and for building IoT applications and devices. They can be used by developers with varying levels of experience and expertise, and can be customized to meet specific project requirements. There are several programming languages that can be used for developing IoT applications, including 1. Python. Python is a popular programming language for developing IoT applications due to its simplicity and ease of use. It has a range of libraries and frameworks that can be used for developing IoT applications and supports a range of hardware platforms. 2. Java. Java is a widely used programming language for developing IoT applications due to its scalability and flexibility. It has a range of libraries and frameworks that can be used for developing IoT applications and is well suited for building complex applications that require high performance. 3. C++. C and C++ are popular programming languages for developing IoT applications due to their low-level control and high performance. They are often used for developing firmware and low-level software components for IoT devices. 4. JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language that is often used for developing IoT applications that run in web browsers or on the server side. It can be used with a range of IoT frameworks and libraries, such as Node.js, to build complex IoT applications. 5. Swift. Swift is a programming language developed by Apple that is often used for developing IoT applications that run on iOS and macOS devices. It has a range of features for building high-performance and secure applications and is well suited for building IoT applications that require real-time processing. These programming languages provide a range of features and capabilities for developing IoT applications. They can be used to build applications for a range of IoT devices and platforms and can be customized to meet specific project requirements. Thank you for watching us. Stay tuned for next video.